Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to use the blend mode.
Let's begin. Let's start.
In Photoshop and After Effects, there is a setting called blend mode when layers are overlapped. With Premiere Pro, you can combine it with the tracks below under various conditions by setting the blend mode. This time, we will explain the basic application of procedures. Prepare 2 clips to combine. I will synthesize this video clip. Apply blend mode to the tracks above. In opacity, click Blend Mode. Select the mode from the list. This time, I will introduce you to Darken. I will choose Darken. When choosing Darken, Premiere will compare the dark parts of the video and the dark part will be combined. Then, the dark part of the sea and the blue part of the sky and the dark part of the building are combined. This is the end of the explanation about blend modes.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.